Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you trying to look at eBay sold listings? Then this video is for you. All sellers are trying to find if they sold anything or not yet. This video will explain to you how to get to the sold page and everything to actually view it in the perfect way and the customized way that you want it to be. First, go to my eBay by clicking right here. Just click on here, don't go through this menu, there's no need for it. Click on it. Right after that, you will find this dashboard. On the left, you will find activity. Click on it, and then this will open. So here we will find selling. Click on the arrow next to it, and you will find here this menu that will open. The sub menu will have here sold. Now, as my account is very new and doesn't have any listings, and of course I haven't sold anything, there will be no sold list on my account. But on your side, you will find all the orders, all the items that has been sold from the days that you have chosen to be right here. So here we can customize this page. We can sort it and choose the period as we'd like. Let's go, for example, to period. We can choose the period between the last 24 hours, the last 7 months, the last 7 days, the current month, and basically current year. And it can be even customized. On the other half, we can sort them. For example, by the most recently sold, highest price, date buyer paid, and basically by buyer. So this is the order page where you can find all the listings of sold items. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.